upstairs and give me that ranch. I'll fix it right quick. God damn, where that damn boy at? Shit. God damn, by the time you come. What the damn hell? You gotta be shitting me. You know, some help brought me some damn ranch. I said the ranch. God damn. Take that shit back upstairs and give me the ranch. The damn tool, son. Damn. God damn, I can't believe that damn boy done sent me some damn ranch. Damn. What the hell is she doing? God damn, man, shit. It ain't damn funny. He gonna sit up here and bring this damn ranch. Hey. You don't say that boy down here with the wrong goddamn tool.
He said he wanted ranch dressing.
I ain't making no damn salad. I need the right damn tool. Send me this. Give me the damn bag of tools. Hell.
Well, you know what? You come and get it your damn self.
You know what? I ain't got time for it. God damn it. I ain't gonna never get my damn tools.
Hey, Daddy, get the tools, you would?
Yeah,